Comprehensive Customer Service Technician File 2977544. Instructor Jonathan Corpus Dufis. Aprendiz Vivian Elizabeth Botina Lopez. The importance of mental well-being, nutrition, and exercise. Importance of mental well-being. Through my work experience and virtual education, I have learned that mental well-being is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive life. It is crucial to implement management strategies that promote a healthy and balanced mindset to achieve his. I strive to be autonomous, manage my time effectively, take active break, and maintain a healthy diet. Strive for good nutrition and exercise. To maintain good nutrition, I make a conscious effort to eat healthy, consuming fruits, vegetables, and water to prevent internal disease. Additionally, I strive to exercise regularly, walking to and from work, and also having a next times exercise routines to rest and wake up with energy. Be implementing busy management strategy. I have been able to maintain a healthy and balanced mindset, allowing me to be more focused and productive in my daily work and activity. Furthermore, I have been able to improve my physical and mental health, reduce stress and anxiety, and enjoy a better quality of relationship. Reference, reference, reference.